What's up YouTube, it's Matt here again from FilterGrade, and today I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a tutorial on how to change your image area settings on the Nikon D750. For me, right now I'm shooting with the 18 to 70mm lens on the Nikon. It's a Nikkor lens, and basically when I really wanted to learn how to change the image area settings, I did it because I wanted some of my photos to be showing with the cropped or with the uncropped vignette of the lens border. It gives it that old school kind of nostalgic photo feel, almost as if it were a fisheye, but without the distortion of the edges of the photo. And I wanted to be able to switch between this and just a standard flat image where you get, no vignetting around the border and everything. So a friend of mine recently showed me how to do it, and I was super excited, so I thought I would share it with you. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'll show you how to do it within the menu settings of your Nikon D750. Okay, so once you're ready to find out how to change the image area, go ahead and turn your camera on and go into the menu settings. Under the photo shooting menu, which you can see by the photo icon on the left side, you're going to scroll all the way down past image quality and image size and go to image area. This is where it's going to tell you how much of your frame is actually being shot, whether it's 36 by 24, 30 by 20, or 24 by 16. All of these are going to be a little bit just basically cropped versions of your image, or as wide as it can possibly go. As you can see, I've taken some stills so that you can get an idea for how each version looks. As you can see, this is the uncropped version where you still get some of the vignette from the border of the lens, and then this is the regular cropped version so that you get none of the vignette from the lens. You just see whatever is in your frame. It's a little bit different, but obviously you can use them each for a different style. If you go back and click on image area, and then you do the middle one as well, you get a little bit of a halfway version of it, so you still will get some vignetting, but not too much. I'll put up a version of this photo right now so you can see it, but regardless, this is kind of just a preference thing and really based on what you want your images to look like, whether you want to have the vignette old school, almost retro, not fisheye, but giving it that feeling, or if you want it to just be kind of a normal, just regular standard image, because it's all about preferences and style and what you're shooting, and realistically they both have different reasons for usage. But for me, it's always important to just know how to change the image area so that when you're ready, you can just go in, change it to whichever mode you want it to be in, and then go ahead shooting how you normally would shoot. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to leave them down in the comments, and I hope this video is helpful. Thanks so much. Bye.